The first thing we'll do is add Adobe Express to our WakeID portal. This can be done as a teacher and as a student. We'll hit the plus sign at the top and then either search for Adobe, or since it begins with an A, you can hit add right here. It will then appear at the very bottom. Click it to open it. The first time you do it, you will have to hit continue with Google, answer some questions, and once you are there, your interface, your home page, will look a lot like this. You can see you have a lot of different options on how to start whatever kind of creation you want to start. We will dive into a lot of these things in different videos, but just for the sake of the interface, we'll go through what each of these are. The top one here is to generate images with AI. You can make a video, make a graphic, animate your voice, and also build a web page. If you scroll down, you will also see templates for all these things as well. Let's say you want to do a class project, or you're planning something for an event in a club, drawing and fun. All of these tabs will bring different kind of templates that you can go and search from. If you just hover over it, you can hit where it says browse templates and it'll open it up. Scrolling down, you can see some more quick actions. If you are looking to generate a QR code, this is a way you can do that. Very simple. Just give it the link that you want to make the QR code for. You can make the style and change the color, and then you can download it to whatever kind of file format you want. Scrolling down, there are some other things to help you get started with guided activities. Maybe you want to dive into the videos and presentations a little more, class projects and posters. You can go all the way down. Once you get to here, you can see there are more generative AI options like text effects, text to image, which is also at the top, text to template. You can tell it what kind of template you are looking for. It'll make it based upon your prompt. Generative fill, and all of these we will get into a little bit more. There's another way to get to where you want to get to by hitting this plus sign in the top left. Here you can see whatever thing you want to get to, you can click it from here. You have your quick actions as well on that page. After you create something with Adobe, all of that will be at the bottom under your recents. If you don't see what you want, you can also hit view all. There's another way to get there, and that is by hitting the button that says Your Stuff. This will take you to everything that you have made with Adobe. You can see I have some stuff with Adobe Express by this icon right here, as well as some stuff with Adobe Illustrator. You're also able to make projects. A project is typically like a folder for you to organize whatever you are making. To do it, you'll hit New Project, and you can name it. You can change the color, and you can also invite people to be on this project with you. Maybe there's a team of teachers who you want to collaborate with and to keep all of your stuff in the same place. The library is a way to organize digital assets. So in other words, this is if you are wanting to make a brand and you want to keep it consistent throughout. So here's what it would look like. You would have the colors, the fonts, the assets, and different templates. And anything you favorite on Adobe Express, let's say it's an image. You are creating something and you search for an image and you find one that you like, you don't need it right then, you can hit the star icon and it'll appear in your favorites right there. Anytime you want to get back to the home page, you can click this home, or if you are in a design, clicking the Adobe A in the top left will also get you there too. Brands is the other thing we briefly talked about. If you have a brand that you want to keep the same consistent fonts and colors, this is a way for you to store that, and then you can use that in your designs.